Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video I am going to prepare saltfish fritters. So here I have my scallion, tomato, onion and pepper. So they're all washed already. So I am going to cut them now. And my hands are clean. And Jaden is not feeling too well this morning, but he still wants to hold the gimbal for me. So how are you feeling now, JJ?
I feel fine.
You feel fine now?
Yeah.
That is good. So guys, I finished cutting all the season. So I am going to show to you my saltfish. It just soak. So see the saltfish over here, so soaking out the salt. So I'm gonna wash it and pick it up. So here is the saltfish, people. Wash, pick up. All the salts are gone. Well, not all of it, because you have to leave little. Get a little salt taste there. So I'm pick out every bone out of it. So when you do your saltfish, you don't want to have any bones in it. So if you are eating your fritters, you have to eat through and pick out bone. That's not nice. Just pick out all the bones. Spend time and do that. So I'm going to put it. When me season a drop, that dash way. So it may skill. So I'm trying to put all the season in my flour. It's a little bit difficult to be holding the gimbal with one hand and trying to put the season in with the other hand. So all the season are in now. Saltfish time. And a little black pepper. I don't have much, but I'm going to use a little of what I have. So you're going to mix in everything. I'm going to put on the camera and do this too, because it's not going to work out for me. See, it's not even all good. Alright, I'm going to try to put it down. Adding the oil to the pot. I think that's enough oil. Adding the first set of fritters in the pot. Whoa. So I guess I turned on the fire too low. It's not really hot, so I'm going to turn it up back, because I don't want my fritters to soak with oil. You know that now go nice. So guys, I am going to take out the first set of fritters now. Glad God didn't want to come out. Well golden. So people, my saltfish fritters is finished. So I hope you guys reached this far in the video. So if you have reached this far, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about Roots Girl channel. The Royal General, big up yourself.